Hey guys, Dr. Randy, Kalkstein Chiropractic. Got Rob in the office. Coming in for a couple months now. Originally car accident, now he's coming in for just sort of maintenance now, but it was some back pain, works at UPS. Obviously this time of year, UPS is incredibly busy, so it's a lot of repetitive lifting, repetitive bending. Any job, when there's a lot of them out there, where there's a lot of repetitive lifting and bending, getting adjusted and maintaining your back and your spine would be a great idea, because it's just a matter of time before enough wear and tear builds up in your spine that it could lead to a bigger problem. So we want to go over the adjustment we do for him today. Anything to add? What would you originally come in for?
Was for
the
like
accident?
You said, was a car accident. My spine was out of whack, quite bad.
Mm-hmm.
And just like the doctor said, a lot of people in the early age do not realize how much maintenance is very important. Just like your car needs maintenance, your body needs maintenance as well.
That's exactly right. Okay, so back and hip pain was the things that.
Yes.
And you got, and so we're going to demonstrate the treatment that we do for his back and hip and low back pain. So go face down for me, Rob. I couldn't say it better myself. A lot of people take the time to get their oil changed. They maintenance their car, but they won't take care of their bodies with the same care. Whether it be how they eat, nutrition supplements, getting a tune-up in our office with the chiropractic adjustment. So we're gonna start him off with some flexion distraction. This is a really cool table that does automatic flexion distraction. We have one in our office. Hopefully we'll probably get the second one. But it creates a movement that you just can't create. You can't recreate yourself. So I can block from his thoracic spine up and just traction his low back and his hips and SI joints on both sides. I can motion it side to side. So this creates a really good effective stretch for low back and hip pain. And unless you're using a table like this specific table, it's almost impossible to recreate. You okay, Rob?
I'm good so far.
Good. So that part's done. We can do that for longer. He can edit this. I'm going to turn the music down a little bit. Alright, so now again, like we do a lot of drop table work here. Just doing a leg length check. He's a little short on his right, which indicates a extension restriction of his right SI joint, where this sacroiliac joint stuck in extension that's pulling his leg up. So drop the work, help to correct it. Idea behind getting adjusted, from my perspective, is finding the restricted individual joint segments, the restricted vertebrae or SI or hip joints, shoulder, and putting motion into those joints and restoring normal alignment and motion to those joints. That helps bring down pain, bring down inflammation, maintain function. Take a nice deep breath in for me, Rob. Exhale. Good. Very good. Go on your side facing me. You done, or are you going in through Recover Night?
Yeah, I'm not done. Look, I'm done working at UPS for the day.
Deep breath. Exhale. Good. Other side. Very good. Okay. breath in again. Exhale. Good. Face up for me. Okay. Adjust his neck and his mid-back as well. Let's start with his mid-back. Exhale. Float all the way out. Just drop your shoulders. Beautiful. One deep breath. Exhale. Good. Good. Okay. And his neck. So far, so good. This one real light here. Drop your shoulder. Good. One more. Sit. Hang on to the table. A little long axis distraction for the hip, knee, ankle. Let your leg relax. Good. And this one. Perfect. And let's do his shoulders. Come on up. Swing your feet over them. So far, so good. Relax these arms for me. I'm gonna come around with this hand. Just kind of. Again, he's lifting. He's doing a lot of pulling. So that glenohumeral joint can shift forward, so that adjustment just helps keep the shoulders back. We got his mid back, low back, neck to move really well. So that's his full spine adjustment for today. Thank you very much. Thank you.